This is Homelink 3.5, describing data. You can find information about minimum, maximum, range, median, and mode for a set of data on pages 79 to 82 in the student reference book. Children in the science club collected pill bugs. The tally chart shows how many they collected. Use the data from the tally chart to complete a line plot. So when you make a line plot, you match up with the tally chart. The number of pill bugs is across the bottom. The number of children, so that's the number of collectors, is going to go up the side. It's kind of like a bar graph. All right. In the end, it looks kind of like a bar graph. But instead of making solid lines, because there are no boxes to fill things in to create bars, we're going to make X's for each child. So for who collected 0? No one collected 0. 0 children collected 0. Who collected 1? 0 children collected 1. How many collected 2? 3 children collected 2. So watch what we're going to do. We're going to write X, X, X. So each of these represents a child. Okay, this is how you make a line plot. For how many children collected 3? 5 children collected 3. So we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many children collected 4? No one. No children. How many collected 5? 2 children collected 5. And how many children collected 6? 2 children collected 6. So this is what a line plot looks like when you're done. Okay, it's X's that go up, kind of like a bar graph would. It's X's that go up like a bar graph would. And then you have to use this data, this information, to answer the questions. Number 1, what is the maximum, which means the greatest, so maximum is the most, number of pill bugs found. So I'm going to say, well, the number of pill bugs found, this is the column that explains that. The most number of pill bugs found would be 6. Okay? Even though only 2 people found 6. Even though only 2 people found 6, the most number that someone found is 6. Okay? So the answer is 6. What is the least number, the minimum number of pill bugs found? So that means the lowest. What is the lowest number? Well, some people might try to say 0, but the answer is not 0 because no one found 0. The answer is not 1 because no one found 1. The answer is 2, okay, because that's the lowest number that anyone found. That's the minimum number. What is the range for the data? Well, range, the way to get the range is you take the maximum minus the minimum. So you take 6 minus 2, and you get a range of 4. So 4 pill bugs. What is the median for the data? The median for the data is going to be the middle number. Okay, and in order to find the middle number in all of this data, what we do is, this is how I like to do it. This data is in order for you, so it's easy to understand. And I'm going to write it out to show you an easy way to do this. You can, in fact, use this tally chart in this case, but this is, if the numbers are not in order, this will be useful for you too. So you take the numbers and you write them like this. Let's see, there's 3 2's, so you actually have to write 2, 2, 2. There are 5 3's, so you write 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. There aren't any 4's, so don't write any 4's. There are 2 5's. Oops, 5, 5. And there are 2 6's. 6 and 6. Okay, and then what you're going to do to find the median, that median means middle number. Okay, you're going to cross off one at a time. Okay, 2 at a time actually. 1 on each end. So it's going to be like this, and I'm going to show you. Cross them off until you get to an exact middle number. Okay? Alright, and we have 2 middle numbers. They're both 3, so the median for the data is 3. Okay? 3 pill bugs. What is the mode for the data? Mode means the number that occurs the most. Kind of even sounds like most. Okay, so the number that occurs the most, we have to look at the number of collectors, is 3. Okay, because 5 people collected 3 pill bugs. So the number that occurs the most is also 3. I'm going to just circle my answers so they don't get confusing there. So this is just some practice with data. It can get quite confusing, but just try to practice it. Make ballpark estimates. Solve on the back of this paper. Show your work. Alright, so we'll make a ballpark estimate. 67 plus 28, we're going to round that. 70 plus 30 equals 100. If we actually add it together, 60 plus 20 is 80, plus 7 plus 8 is 15, that's going to be 95. Okay, and the unit, we'll say rulers. Alright, and then we're going to round this for our ballpark estimate. 33 is going to go to 30, plus 29 is going to go to 30, equals 60. Okay, our actual answer is going to be 30 plus 20 is 50, plus 9 plus 3 is 12, 50 plus 12 is 62. Alright, so 60 plus 2 is the actual answer. This is the ballpark estimate. Alright, so this is Homelink 3.5, describing data for grade 3 everyday math. Alright?